Hi travelers, salut les voyageurs. I'm with the brother of Guram. That is that was my host in Skopje. So I'm just arrived
Prilep,
in Prilep, Macedonia. So I was in Kosovo before, and yeah, it was a really nice time. Today we're going to do the opposite as usually. So we're gonna start with Judo, and then I will show you a little bit more about the city, the culture, the food, and everything here. So yeah, I've been spending some days already in Skopje, and now it's going to be Prilep, which is 104 from Skopje is Prilep.
130 kilometers.
Yeah, it's like 2 hours driving, 130 kilometers. Alright, so let's go to Judo with many people. Just behind me is Guram. It was my host in Skopje. So I didn't film in Skopje because I was so busy. Guram found a lot of Judo clubs to bring me and a lot of food. So I just couldn't film, but yeah, from now I'm filming.
Just like you, no, I always want stress like you, oh, I always want stress like you,
Let's go.
Tu peux parler en français pour la caméra?
Oui,
Comment tu t'appelles?
je m'appelle Tony.
Ok, quel âge as-tu?
50.
Et il a 5 ans. 5 ans.
Very good French.
52. I thought you were 20.
20, yeah, oui. 20.
What's your name?
Angel.
Huh?
Angel.
Angel. Okay, did you like today?
Yeah.
Yeah. What do you remember of the class?
I remember the
The food job. Do you think that you will get better in competition with this kind of work? Okay, do you want to say something to your friends or I don't know?
My dream is to go to the Olympics.
Okay, I hope you go to the Olympic. So, training finish, now what's the plan?
Tomorrow,
But today? We're going to...
for today is very good.
Yeah, but
Very
after,
good.
where are we going after?
After,
Yeah.
going for the park.
Party, so...
That's in Prilep.
That's why I'm so fat right now, because I'm going to party every single time. Okay, so first training in Prilep is finished. I will film with my phone maybe the dinners and stuff with the coaches, but yeah, I said it just before. So I arrived after Kosovo in Skopje, first with Guram, and I went to see also Igor at another judo club. I didn't film at that time, I was quite stressed. I thought that I lost my passport actually, but my passport was just on a secret pocket of my bag. Very stupid, but yeah, I've been experiencing a little bit already about Macedonia, and you can see like I have shirt, like nice shirt. They already gave me many things, and yeah, I will try to show you a little bit around how is it here. But next I'm going to Bulgaria. And here I will have a break. Okay, so second day in Macedonia. I mean, for this video I'm still with the same people. So Darian here on the other side, Goran. So today we're going finally to visit a little bit Prilep city center. So we're going to see the city center, the old town, and also the clock of the city. So yeah, I will let you see. Maybe it's gonna be Darian that will make the vlog with the camera. You can speak in English for the YouTube?
No problem.
No problem. So, president of the judo club, and so Goran and Dehan were shy to speak with their lovely English, but I think that your English is good enough
Okay,
to be talk. I think you could speak in English also.
No problem.
No,
First then.
first hand. So what can you say about Prilep city? Like what kind of city it is? Is the life here is good? Just some words about the city of Prilep.
it's part of the Macedonia. Our new name is North Macedonia.
Yeah. Why?
You don't like to know.
Yeah. Okay.
We have around 75,000 citizens in this small part. It's a part of the Pelagoni. It's the biggest valley in our country. It's
Okay.
part of them coming in Greece. Part of them is here. We have a long history here.
Yeah.
We have a tower. Tomorrow you're going to see the castle.
Yeah.
And also we have a lot of church. Lucky
Okay.
for you, you are from one of the biggest Orthodox religion holidays here, it's Easter. And from yesterday,
Oh yeah.
from yesterday to the Monday, we are in the holiday actually.
Okay. And yeah, I had one question actually about the Easter holiday. You have some tradition that we don't have in France with the kids. So what the kids have to do and which day exactly?
In the after tomorrow,
After tomorrow, so
the
Sunday.
Easter day, yes.
Yeah.
And I think you also have in French, but you forget.
Maybe. We do something different in France. Like in France, the kids go to the garden and they look for chocolate eggs that the parents been hiding before.
Lucky for us, we still have natural eggs.
Yeah. Well, we don't. And so, what do they do with those eggs?
It's coming something like the tradition. We start in the Thursday, taking usually in red, and before sun coming.
Yeah.
After that, these 2 days we are fasting usually, and in some part of the Easter, going the family holiday.
Yeah.
The small children going to the house and take eggs. Like it's actually according also our tradition. The next day of resignation of Jesus, all the chicken in the Jerusalem have the red eggs. From that reason, we have just copy from this tradition. But in any case, you'll be here after 2 days and you see in the first place.
Yeah, we'll see, and I will film that. Okay, so thank you. By the way, very quick things. We're now 900, and it's been about 40,000 views in total on this channel. So we're very close from becoming a professional channel. 100 more subscribers and about 1,000 more hours of view, and then we'll be able to be paid that way. So please, if you like that kind of content, feel free to subscribe or just even bumping the like button. You know, it's helping a lot. All right, let's go.
Always want stress, just like you know. I always want stress, like you. I always want stress, like you.
Let's go.
Okay, that's it for today. So I will cut and go directly for tomorrow, the castle fortress. So see you tomorrow. Alright, so second day in Prilep. I'm now with 3 young boys. So just here, and there's another one somewhere I cannot see on the camera. But so yeah, judoka of course. Il parle français parce qu'il a vécu en Suisse. Donc on communique ensemble en français. Though I will keep speaking English because most of you don't understand French. So what you were saying about here? Where are we actually?
Maintenant,
English or French? It's up to you.
Now, this montagne s'appelle Marco Viculi.
Okay.
Marco, it's a legend. It's a grown man. I talk French, English.
It's fine, I will take care of it.
Ok. Il y a un cheval qui s'appelle Charette. Il est grand cheval. Cet cheval sautait 10 montagnes, sautait une 10 montagnes là-bas. Et il y a là-haut, il y a le trou de cheval.
Ah, okay, the step.
The step,
Yeah,
the step.
Les pas en français.
Yes.
Okay, and so apparently there's some kids that might join us, right? They're
Yes.
on the way struggling. Oh, it's not only kids. Look like kids from here, but there is grown-up judoka as well. Alright, so we're going to keep climbing. I think we'll have a nice point of view up there, and then we'll fly the drone again. Yeah, today I went to the how to call this in English. I went to taste some wine of the region, which is really nice, and so yeah, now we are visiting, and that will be the end of my trip in Prilep. So it was a really nice time, and I will meet you guys in Bulgaria next, where I will take my holiday. So I hope you enjoyed the video. Don't forget to like and comment, that's what helped the most, and I see you next week. Cheers!
Hold tight, I've been right where you're standing. Just hold tight to me. The world tries to beat you and leave you lonely, but there's light you see. 'Cause now
Alright guys, so I have no idea how to finish this video, so just take care and see you next week. Bye.
this fight wasn't made for